Over the 2 years that the Menai Project has been running, we've supported a variety of community green space projects. One of these is the Amlygu Allotments and Nature Park up near Amlygu Port on Anglesey.
Mae nhw wedi helpu ni'n massive. Da ni cael fatha water containers, lawnmowers a streamers a pethau sy'n gallu helpu maintainio'r lle i neud siŵr bod ni'n gallu cadw ar ei dopo. Da ni wedi cael dodran. Mae'n helpu dim just pobl yr rhandirodd ond y gymuned i gyd.
So we've had quite a variety of community green space projects. We've worked on a public park in Llangefni, Park Pandy, and we've been doing lots of tree planting there, improving a willow tunnel and repainting a play equipment container. Llanchymedd community gardens in improving areas for planting. They grow flowers and fruit and veg there. And also Cemais, the Wigir Valley woodlands, we've supported volunteer activity there, planting, putting in some lovely sculptures and replacing the benches that are in the valley. The Menai Project hasn't just supported food growing projects. We've been involved with a really interesting project at Llanbeblig Church in Carnarvon. The Llanbeblig volunteers have been busy trying to improve access around the churchyard, which contains some very significant gravestones and sort of social history.
The War Graves Commission wanted access to some of the gravestones from the First World War. Because the cemetery was so overgrown, it was literally like a jungle here.
O'na bobl yn methu mynd at y bedda, wel, ers blynyddoedd dweud y gwir. A wedyn, da ni'n clirio, da ni wedi bod wrthi rwan am 2-3 blynedd.
This is a gem of history here, and it needs to be cleared so that people can come here, especially young people.
The aim of the Menai Project has been to improve well-being within communities, enable people to take power over their local surroundings and improve green spaces. The 14 projects we've supported have provided a range of volunteering activities and have made local green spaces better for local people and for wildlife.